Hi guys, today's video is going to be a product review for this KeenPure air purifier. This air purifier is a step towards a better, healthier air for you and your family. The air purifier does not produce ozone emissions. The material is eco-friendly. Even the inner packaging material is degradable. Because it's small, it's easy to carry from room to room, and there's only one filter that you'll need to change, which this filter goes up to 8 months compared to other brands on the market. Now, with this air purifier, the fan has 3 levels. There's high, medium, and low. Now, when the filter needs to be replaced, you would see the HEPA light come on, and we have the reset button at the bottom. And to use it, you just put it on. Now, this is the highest speed you're hearing here. And if you were using the highest speed, I would use it in an area that is not when you're going to sleep. The medium setting is not as loud, but if you're using this in the bedroom, I definitely recommend the lowest setting. It's very quiet. So to change the filter, all you have to do is remove the bottom cover and the filter comes out. The filter for this can be found on Amazon also. And inside there, you'll see that's the bottom of the fan. To replace it, you place it back in and close. This is a very easy air filter to use. It has one filter, which makes it less when you have to buy one instead of 3. So if you guys enjoyed this video, all the information will be down in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.